Need to remove an unwanted mark, image, or added element from your PDF? With PDF Editor Studio, you can clean up your document directly inside your browser. Open your PDF, then select Erase from the Tools panel. Choose your eraser size, then simply click and drag over the content you want to remove. In this example, we're erasing part of an unwanted added graphic from an invoice to tidy up the document. You can adjust the eraser size for small details or larger areas, giving you more control over your edits. Made a mistake? Use the Undo button to quickly restore your previous change. Once your PDF looks right, click Export to download your updated document. Remove unwanted additions and clean up PDFs quickly with PDF Editor Studio. Click the link in the description to download PDF Editor Studio from the Chrome Web Store and subscribe for more quick PDF tips.